welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Yang. So for today's video, I'll be showing you a review and how to use this metal die cutting machine. So this one I purchased on Aliexpress again. So basically, if you're into crafts, it's really usable. Especially kung mahilig kayo mag-scrapbooking or making cards or invitations. The only thing is kasi nga mas cheaper version siya. So mas maliit yung size ng plate niya. So ito lang yon, ganyan lang siya kaliit. So yung magagawa mo lang talaga is like into crafts, you cannot cut invitation or envelopes kasi they have this size na pwede mong i-cut yung envelopes saka invitations. And then you can also buy the metal die cutters for invitations. Ayan, so this one I purchased kasi nga gusto kong gumawa ng mga banners. And then also before, kasi nung wedding ko, bumili ako ng cake topper. And then so pwede mo rin siyang gamitin, bibili ka lang ng mga metal die cutters. So that one is separate as well. So, ligo ka? So ayun, so also dahil gagamitin mo to, you also need like paper crafts. So if you're in Canada, ang go-to store ko is usually Dollar Store kasi mas cheaper talaga siya. So like this one, I found this on Dollarama. Ayan. So this one is a thin layer, like a thin sheet kasi meron siyang adhesive sa likod. So pwede mo siyang idikit pag nakat mo na siya. But they do have like yung thicker version like this one. Yeah, marami silang kulay, so you can just choose. But sometimes they're out of stock, so you have to keep coming back. Or maybe ibang store meron, ganun. So yan. Yung problem ko lang dito is, kung gagamitin ko siya sa cake topper, may times na nag-shred yung kanyang glitters. But it's not really a big problem. But meron akong nabili sa Aliexpress again. So this time, yung material niya is the same as the one I bought before sa Aliexpress, then yung cake topper nga. Kasi I bought before. So ganito rin yung material nung paper nila. And then yung glitter niya, hindi natatanggal. So maganda siya. So also, syempre kung bibili ka ng ganito and then you want to make banners, so bibili ka din ng mga metal die cutter. So I have these letters. They're like 10 centimeters long or 5 inches, I think. Not too sure. Yeah, so yan yung nabili ko. Ito na yung pinakamalaki sa Aliexpress so far. Yung iba like really small kasi nga pang scrapbooking or like invitations, ganun. So before you buy, kailangan nyo i-check yung size. Check nyo lang yung description ng items na bibili nyo. So I'll be showing you yung kung paano ko kinat yung and then later I'll be showing you kung paano gamitin itong machine na to using these letters kasi gumawa ako ng banner for Christmas. Syempre, Christmas season na, kailangan mag-decorate. So, in addition to my decoration, I hope you watch this video. Pa-like and share na din, guys, please. And then, so yun nga. So, additional decoration ko for this Christmas season. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yun. And then, what else? Also, just, yung sinasabi kong cake topper, just a quick and also yung sa cake topper na sinasabi ko, so bumili nga rin ako ng mga metal die cutters like this one. So, I bought this. Ayan. And then, also, I bought this. Kasi nagamit ko na siya. Teka, tanggalin ko lang yung mga papers. Like this one. Yan. Ganyan siya. So, maliit lang siya. It's not really big. Kasi nga pang ano lang. Usually pang crafts lang siya. Yan yun. Then, I have letters and numbers too. So, yung letters, napakaliit niya talaga. Like this one. Hold on. So, ito yung number. Yan. Ganyan siya. Yun lang. And then, ano pa ba? So, eto, once, just in case, kasi nga, na-worn out din siya, like this, kasi maraming beses ko na siyang ginamit. Pag makita mo, marami na siyang bakat. Ayan. You can also buy a spare of this sa Aliexpress. Ayan, so now, I'll be showing you kung paano siya gamitin, okay? Okay guys, so papakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano gamitin itong metal die cutting machine. So, kuha ka lang ng paper. So, i-cut mo siya according sa size nung gagamitin mong die cutter. So, like that. So, i-cut mo lang siya. So, make sure, pag ilalagay mo na siya, yung cutter niya, makita mo yung naka-protrude na edges, yun yung nakadikit sa right side ng paper. Yan. Okay, so, grab mo lang yung A, and then, ilagay mo yung B. I don't know if there's a right way of doing this, pero ganito yung ginagawa ko. So, if you know how, please do comment on the comment section so I would know too. Okay? So, ganyan. And then, ilagay mo na siya. So, there, may butas yan. So, insert mo lang siya. And then, ikot mo to. So, normally, kung maganda yung metal die cutter mo, one stroke, kaya niya na. But sometimes, hindi. Kaya, ginagawa ko, I do it like thrice. Pinapaikot ko siya ng 3 beses. Just to make sure. Yan. Ganyan lang naman. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot. Parang sa Christmas decor ko, ikot-ikot lang. Ganyan. And then, ayan na. So, hindi siya nag-cut through. So, ikaw nang gagawa. So like this. Ayan. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kahirap tanggalin kasi makapal yung paper. So, like so. Ayan. So, ganyan guys. Ayan na yan. So, maliit lang siya. O, diba? Maganda. So, pwede siyang cake topper or lagay sa cards, invitations, and everything if you're into craft. Very useful siya. Yun. Ganun lang. So yun guys, I hope you like this video. Please do give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.